Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: rear parking sensors, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, driver memory seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice activation, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, and Ecotech engine. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.